Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to perform two-way ANOVA in Excel and its interpretation. You can find more videos on econometrics, RStudio, SPSS, mathematical economics, and economics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's begin with the idea of two-way ANOVA. Two-way ANOVA is used when we have two independent variables and one dependent variable. And these two independent variables are measured on categorical scale. So here you can see we have one independent variable, that is gender, in which we have two categories, male and female. And another independent variable is types of school. So government school, private school, and semi-government school. That means in types of school, we have three categories. So here we have two categorical variables, gender and types of school, and one dependent variable, that is marks in mathematics, which is continuous and normally distributed. So if we have this kind of framework, we can use two-way ANOVA. Now, before we perform two-way ANOVA, let's understand how to frame the null and alternative hypothesis. So here first hypothesis H naught says that no significant difference in mean marks of maths as far as types of school is concerned. An alternative hypothesis says that we have the significant difference. Another set of null and alternative hypothesis, H naught, no significant difference gender wise. As far as mean mathematics marks is concerned, and H1 says that we have the significant difference. And third, is no interaction effect. And H1 says that yes, we have the interaction effect. So we are going to see these three sets of hypothesis. Now let's see how to perform it. So you go to data tab. In data, we have the option of data analysis. Once you click on data analysis, this dialog box will appear on your screen. Here we are going to select ANOVA two-factor with replication. So select ANOVA two-factor with replication and simply click on OK. Now we need to select the input range. So this is our input range. Rows per sample. So you can see we have 9 observations in each school, and therefore we are going to write 9. If you have 15 observations, you can write 15. If you have 20 observation, write 20. By default, alpha is 0.05. In output options, select output range and select the cell and simply click on OK. So here we have the result of two-way ANOVA. And this is our F statistic. So first is sample, that is type of school, row wise. So let me note down type of school. I'm highlighting it. Now you can see the F value is 0.199 and associated P value is 0.819. Since the associated P value is greater than 0.05, this P value is greater than 0.05. Therefore, we reject the null hypothesis and we conclude that there is no significant difference between government schools, private schools, and semi-government schools as far as mathematics marks is concerned. Then we have columns. So columns means gender wise, because we have written gender, male, female, column wise. So this is gender. Let me highlight this. So again, you can see the F statistic is 0.005. Associated p-value is here 0.94159. This value is also greater than 0.05. So we again fail to reject the null hypothesis, and we can conclude that there is no gender-wise difference in mean marks of mathematics. And then we have the interaction effect. Here we have the interaction effect. So whether we have any interaction between two independent variables, that is types of school and gender. So again, you can check that p-value is less than 0.05. P-value here is, greater than 0.05. And therefore, we again fail to reject the null hypothesis, and we conclude that there is no interaction between types of school and gender. So this is the idea of two-way ANOVA. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.